Yo, welcome back. This is Week Check. We're going to be looking at all the kicks that we're going to be dropping in the next 7 days from the 27th of June to the 3rd of July. Let's go. Yes, welcome back everybody. My name is Patrick T. If you're new to the channel, I do reviews on all kind of kicks and trainers. I try and give you the heads up on what they look like, what's in the box, how they feel, whether they're true to size, all the information you need whether or not to cop or drop. This is my weekly series called Week Check. Like I said in the intro, I'm going to be looking at all the kicks and trainers, what should be dropping in the next 7 days. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit notification bell and comment. Love when we talk, man. Tell me what you're going to cop, tell me what you're going to drop, tell me what you just don't understand what they've done and all that kind of stuff. First of all, we need to do some housekeeping. This is the information I have at the time of recording. You know the sneaker industry, what they show now, they could drop any minute without any explanation. And what we don't know is when they drop them little surprise gems, which we didn't even know was going to come out, and they give you 3 days to enter any raffles. Talking of raffles, when I mention places like Size, Footpatrol and End, please understand those raffles usually close the day before the drop. So the day I mention that raffle or where you can collect it is the day you need to go and enter, because that's the last chance you can enter on those particular websites. Also note, some places like Size and Footpatrol, they will freeze the money in your account. So that means you cannot touch it. It makes it look like the money's come out of your account. And if you win, obviously they can take it completely. If you don't, it takes about 5 days to refund. So just keep that in mind when you're entering these raffles, because you can have some serious money coming out of your account, which you can't touch until the raffle's over. That said and done, let's just get straight into this. So it's Monday, the 27th of June. Happy Monday. Let's see what's dropping. So first up, we have the Jordan Delta 3 in the Cell colorway. This is dropping on SNS and it's going for £140. Stick with SNS, they have their release of the Union LA versus Nike Cortez Khaki Red. This is going for £125 on the SNS app. We then have a woman's dunk low called LX. This is going for £110, and again you can pick this up on the SNS app. Also dropping is the Jordan 1 Mid Bred. This is going for £115, and again you can pick this up on the SNS app. Next up is a woman's Jordan 1 low called Mystique Navy. This is going for £115, and you can pick this up on Size and Footpatrol. I don't really do rumours, but I am hoping this one does come out, and we're talking about the Nike versus Nocta Hot Air Step Terra in triple white. This should be dropping on Size for £135. Yes, it's Tuesday, the 28th of May. Let's see what's dropping. The first to drop is the sneakers release of the Jordan 3 Delta in the Cell and pink foam colorway. This is going for £140, and like I said, you can pick this up on sneakers. Next, we have the Jordan 1 Mid Bred. This is going for £115, but this time you pick it up on Nike, Size and End. Next up is the official release of the Union LA versus Nike Cortez Khaki Red. This is going for £115, and you can pick this up on sneakers, End and Footpatrol. Sneakers are then dropping their release of the woman's Jordan 1 Low Mystique Navy. This is still going for £115. Converse are dropping a classic, and this is called the Converse Sky High Farmer Worker Chunk 70. You can pick this up on a Converse website for £100. Wednesday, 29th of June. Let's see what's dropping today. First up, we have a Dunk Low called Jade. This is going for £110, and you can pick this up on sneakers. We then have an SB Dunk Low Pro. This is going for £90, and again you can pick this up on sneakers. The Jordan 1 Low Mystique Navy is again dropping, but this time it's going for £125, and you can pick this up on Size and Footpatrol. Now I think this one dropped last week. I could be wrong, but we're talking about the Jordan 1 Elevate Low Team Red. It's going for £115, and you can pick this up on Size. Now we have an Adidas Classic with a twist. We're talking about the Adidas Superstar by Tae Gok Dang. I'm probably just butchered that name, and I apologize, but this is going for £90, and you can pick this up on Confirmed app. Yes, the 30th of June, last day of the month. Let's see what's dropping today. So the first up is a Nike Spark Flyknit in the platinum tint and coconut milk colorway. This is going for £165 and you can pick this up on sneakers. Now I don't know if I'm getting this wrong, but there seems to be another drop of the Jordan 1 Low Mystic Navy. It's still going for £125, but this time you pick it up on sneakers and end. Now we have another release of the Air Kukanite SE. This time the colour is called a Lemon, Venom and Aurora. This is going for £120 and you can pick this up on sneakers, size and Footpatrol. Right, New Balance are kicking in this week and they're releasing their 990 silhouette made in the USA version 1 and version 3. These are going for £180 and £220 respectively. You can pick these up on End, Size and the New Balance website. Adidas are dropping a Ultra Boost 2020 called Made with Nature. This is going in 2 different colorways. You can pick this up on the Adidas website. I think it will be dropping on Confirmed as well, but it's just not up there at the moment of recording this, which is frustrating. But this is going for £165. Yes, pinch punch, first day of the month, 1st of July, let's go. Yes, New Balance are not mucking about this week. They're releasing another joint in their 2002 silhouette. This is called A Conversation Among Us. It's in white and yellow colorway. It's going for £120 and you can pick this up on End. Now, Lebron is stepping into the game this week and he's released the Nike Zoom Lebron 3 QS. This is going on End and it'll cost you £170. Sticking with Nike, they'll be releasing their Air More Up Tempo 96. It's going for £170 and you can pick this up on End as well. Yes, we have a classic release of the Air Max 95. This is going in the grey fog colorway. You pick this up on Footpatrol for £170. Yo, hold on. I just clocked this. An Air Max 95, £170. Oh my God. Damn. Anyway. Yes, Saturday, 2nd of July. Let's see what's dropping. It's a bit weird today. We only have one drop what I can see at the time of recording. Remember my housekeeping at the beginning? At the time of recording, we have one drop dropping today. And we're talking about the Jordan 7 Citrus. This is dropping for £180 and you can pick this up on sneakers and End. So that's it. Week check. 27th of June to the 2nd or the 3rd of July. I hope you've seen some kicks you want to cop. Don't make yourself bankrupt. They're just kicks. They're just for fun. Just enjoy. No hype. Just get what you like and wear them. But that's me, Patrick T. Week check. Gone out. Peace.